Okay guys, so today's video is gonna be a little different. My dad is on it, or gonna be in it. Dresser, so here's the boxes. This dresser's all cleared, all that stuff is on my bed because, yeah, it's gonna be fun. So, this goes done, and this video is probably more likely being just time-lapse, but I'll slow it down a little bit, depending on how long the video is. So, we'll see you guys then. Alright guys, updated version. Stuff is everywhere. That's not staying there. But this is what it looks like. No progress. Because we had to find the stuff and that's hard. I have the biggest update. We have this done. That's it. There's no other update. That's it. Still have lots to go. Great. So we're probably a half hour in. What do you think?
You're asking me what I think?
Yep.
Don't ask me what I think right now.
You cranky daddy. People. DIY is almost finished. This is the longest and the craziest DIY. It's been an hour. Believe it or not, it's been an hour. Dad and I are still putting it together. I gotta do these first inside. And yeah, so I didn't record a lot, but I try to time lapse as much as I can. So alright guys, so we got drawer number 1 done. This whole main structure is done. Then we just gotta do this. This is a pretty fun project actually once you get started with it. It was awful. And the cool thing about this thing, it has locks, which I didn't even know when I bought it. But pretty amazing, don't you think? As you can see, drawers are so much easier than the main unit. Hello everybody, what is up? So as you can tell, I finally did my hair and I'm going to be going in to get my other dresser. This one is finished. I will show you guys what I did with it. These I'm not too sure what I'm doing with yet. I'm hoping I could put my underwear and socks in one, like underwear in one, socks in the other. And then hopefully the next drawer down, there's 7 drawers in this thing. Hopefully the next one I can put like my extra socks and whatever. So I'm gonna start from pants in the bottom and go up. So I'll tell you guys how I do it then, and you're gonna see me struggle pulling the other one out of Paige's room. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to get the other dresser that is in Paige's room like I said. So be right back. That wasn't as much of a struggle as I thought it was going to be. So right now, this is other socks I don't need. Alright, I'm going to hold off on these 2 drawers because we had a mess up with them. So I have to go get Gorilla Glue and I'm gonna go do that right now. So then my dad and I can fix that. The nails did not work by the way, so that's why. I'll see you guys there.